BigRep is dedicated to developing cutting-edge engineering to optimize the performance of our 3D printers. Introducing the new Power Extruder, the next level in industrial 3D printing. With its improved hot ends, it is capable of printing at up to double the speed. Accessing this new flexibility is quick and easy. Switching nozzles is a simple 10-minute job. With the 0.6mm nozzle, achieve maximum precision with even the most complex objects. With the 1mm, print large objects up to 40% faster than before. And with the 2mm nozzle, print with layer heights from 0.6 up to 1.6 millimeters. Tailor each project according to its unique properties. All prints are different. Why should the nozzles stay the same?